Okay, so I'm doing a gel stain like this, and I'm just going with the grain of the wood. I'm adding a generous portion of white because I want a lot of white in it. I'm just showing you my technique because I got asked. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this. And pray that leaves don't fall in it. So then I'm just gonna do like I would any stain, but I'm going with the grain of the wood, trying to make sure all wood filler gets paint over it. Wipe it away. Try to use a clean spot on the rag when you can. Each time is preferred, but I kind of like it a little chunkier and thicker. So gel stain is not, it's thicker than regular wood stain, so I like it. Mixes better with paint to me. There you go.